So let's just talk about init method in Python. So the init is a special type of method in Python class, and it is used to initialize object attributes. So this is similar to constructor in other programming languages like Java or C++. So the constructor method init will be automatically called whenever one object is instantiated. That means whenever we create one object, the init will be called to initialize all the attributes. So suppose we have one class person. Now inside the class, first of all, we need to have the init method. So here we have to have the underscore init, and the method, first of all, it takes the self. So the self is a reference to the current instance of the class, and the self is used to access attribute and method of one object. So as a first parameter, it will take self and then the attributes of the person like the name, the age, and so on. And then inside the init method, we are going to initialize the attributes. So self.name, and we can assign this name that we receive in the parameter, and also self.age, we can assign the age of the person. So whenever we create one object of the person, the init will be called with the parameter name and age, and it will initialize the attributes name and age of that particular person. So let's just define the class person. So first of all, we have to define the init method. So the first parameter of the init will be self, and then we can have the name of the person and age of the person. Now inside the init method, we're gonna initialize the name, and also we're gonna initialize the age of the person. So this way we can have multiple attributes of the person class. So inside the class we have another method, info. The method will take the self. Now here we can print the name of the person. So we have to access the name, so we have to use the self.name, and also we can print the age, self.age. Now whenever we create one object p1, so we have to use the person class, and here inside we have to pass the name and also the age. So whenever we create one new object, then automatically the init method will be called with these parameters. So the name will be passed right here, and the age will be passed right here, and they will be used to initialize the attributes of that person object. And then we can use the object and we can call the info method, and this should print the name and the age of that person. So here you can see name is Sam, age is 30. So hope you understand about the init method in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.